Konnichiwa. My name is Rohit Prasad and I'm the founder of RSPinJAPAN. I'm back with a few information for you guys. Well, in today's video, I am going to talk about the process, the whole entire process starting from India till Japan. The process that gets you here, how the document flows between the immigration office or the embassy so that you can get a deeper understanding of what the process involves. Starting from how you apply to the school and how you get the admission, visa, COE and everything like that. So watch the video till the end to understand each and everything about the process. And if you have any comments or any suggestions that you would want to make and you didn't understand anything, make sure that you put it down in the comments. Well, as you can see, I have divided the process into India and Japan. So this process is the procedure of enrollment. Now, let's just say this applicant is trying to apply for an institution in Japan. This is how the process will proceed. Well, firstly, the aspirant or the student will send the application to the institution. In this case, usually first the student would send an email or try to get in touch with the institution, and the process would start from there. Once the institution replies to you or the professor replies to you, you can actually start asking questions like how should I apply, when is the date that I should apply, and everything will clarify after that one email or after you have got in touch with the admission office or the professor himself. Then the institution, once the process is over where you have applied and sent the application, and if you pass, which means that if you get the admission, the institution would send you an offer letter. Now, having this offer letter will tell you that now you have to send your documents like passport copy or your financial status proof. Usually what happens is that the application includes these documents, but some of the cases, if I generalize it, this can be the outline where first the applicant is contacting the professor, and once the professor says okay and gives you a letter, then you can send the documents to the institution. Now these documents, as I told you, can contain passport copies or the application form itself, the why do you want to study in Japan, and what is your research proposal, or maybe why do you choose this language school, and questions like that should be answered on a piece of paper, and you have to send those documents to the institutions. Once you send the documents to the institution now becomes your legal representative, which means that now this institution has the right to apply for your COE on your behalf. There are a few laws. So the law states that you yourself can be the legal representative, or the institution can become the legal representative. Now this legal representative, now in this case it's going to be the institution, will apply for the COE along with your documents and send everything to the immigration office. The immigration office will go through your documents and check everything, maybe even verify everything by calling everyone in India or maybe the embassy and things like that. And after the verification is complete, and if you are accepted, then the COE acceptance, the actual certificate of eligibility, will be given to the representative, the legal representative, which is your school. The COE, certificate of eligibility, will be given to the legal representative. Now this legal representative will inform you that you have received your COE. Now the legal representative will send all the documents that you had already submitted plus the COE to you, the applicant or the student. Now you have to keep this thing in mind. Sometimes the scanned copies and application form won't be returned to you because that remains with the immigration, and sometimes the immigration even just throws it. So if you have a specific document that you want back, make sure that you mention it beforehand. Well, anyhow, the legal representative would give you all the original documents back to with the COE to you. After that, you have all the required documents to apply for a visa. Now the embassy will tell you or require some documents. You can take the documents with you and then apply. Once the embassy accepts your visa, the embassy will send the visa back to you or the aspirant, the student. After this student gets the visa, now all you need to do is pack your bags and just come to Japan. Buy a ticket, come to Japan. Well, if you can see, there is this small airport permit. This is the place, that immigration stand or box where you have to show your passport, get a stamp, and at that place only I think you will get your residence card also. After that, you are in Japan. So as you can see, there were 3 main steps. One, the application, where you have to apply, send the documents. The second, acceptance of COE. Then there was the acceptance of visa. These are the 3 phases that you have to keep in mind once you are applying for Japan. Well, this was all about the process. I hope that you understood everything about it, and if you did not, please make sure to put it down in the comments so that we can get back to you. Also, if you have any suggestions regarding what video should I make next, please do so. And also, if you like the information that I share with you guys, please make sure to like the video. Thank you.